Welcome to 1340 Brook Street, a 2-bedroom, 2-bath accessible unit. And we're in the living room. We just entered a nice wood-burning fireplace, And outside we have a patio area, nice place to sit and get some fresh air. You notice telephones and thermostats throughout are all at accessible level. The first thing I want to show you before I forget is the in-unit washer-dryer, side-by-side, full size. A very nice feature to have. Next door here is the coat closet. So let's turn back into the dining area and kitchen. Good room for a table that seats at least 6. Nice stainless steel appliances. Fridge, stove, dishwasher, exhaust fan over the stove, and the door at the end is the pantry. Let's go down the hall here, and we're going to walk into the spacious bathroom, tub and shower, good space to turn. Down the hall on the left is the linen closet, and this is the second bedroom. Nice size bedroom, lots of room for a bed and dresser and all the good stuff. Closet is a really nice size, and it's much bigger than the doors, as you can see. And we're on our way to the principal bedroom. Yes, central heat, central air. And this is a really big bedroom. Let's take a little walk around. There we go. And over here is the second bathroom. A nice step-in shower makes it much easier for a lot of people. And next door, some more storage. So that's 1340 Brook Street, not far from Randall and Main Street. Convenient to all kinds of restaurants and shops. Give us a call at 773-961-7962. We'd love to show it to you. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.